This demo building demonstrates how industrialized multifunctional element can deeply transform building renovation. With this industrialized envelope system, you can tackle the EU ambition goal for decarbonize the building stock and then for helping to speed up the renovation rate. The fabrication of better industrialization is a cornerstone of infinite project approach. By assembling this element system in a controlled and factory environment, we ensure high quality, reduce material waste, and then faster installation on site. To make the renovation process easier, within Infinite we developed 5 different industrialized envelope kits. The Energy and Fresh Air Kit is one of the most challenged kits developed within Infinite. The idea is to change the normal energy concept of an old building and then transfer everything into the facade, thanks to a ventilation machine unit that can transform the hot and cold water into air that can be just distributed to each room. The BIPV kit provides, of course, electricity to the building in order to lower the energy consumption. We implement colored glass PV panel into the facade in order to integrate the technological element in the facade. The building integrated solar thermal kit couple the energy efficiency due to the insulation with the thermal energy production. The smart window kit is aimed to provide smart glazing or smart shading solution in order to avoid to have overheating and then to control the daylighting within the apartment. Then we developed the green kit that we didn't apply to this demo. And then finally, we developed an adaptable building management system. It's aimed to collect and gather all the data from all the technologies and then finally control and correct any deviation. Thanks to this demo, we collect real data in order to prove the technical and economical viability of this kind of solution and then promote the scale up and the replication potential all around Europe.